Mimi nataka niwaeleze hivi. Baba, we consulted with him very often. But the last 1.5 months were very difficult times because every time I met Baba, his voice was hoarse, and he kept on telling me that I am weak because I am taking some drugs. And I was very concerned. He explained to me that he had gone to Dubai and he had gone to the American hospital, and they had told him a few things about his health. And then he came back and went to Canadian hospital again in Dubai. And after he came back, his doctors, led by Dr. Olunya, who is his personal doctor for many years, administered some medicines to him. And when I went to New York for the United Nations General Assembly, I kept track with what he was doing. And I told him, I will come back, I will come through Dubai, I will also do a medical checkup, but when I come back, I want us to meet. Because his health was very concerning to me. So when I came back, I thought I would meet him on a Saturday, or was it a Sunday? But when I called him, he told me, William, Bill, actually, I have gone to Malindi. The doctors have advised me to go and rest in Malindi. I will come back on Tuesday. So I told him, it's okay. Let me go to the farm. I will come back on Sunday. I will wait for you on Tuesday. On that Tuesday, Baba called me and told me he is coming. And he wanted to come and meet me in the office. I told him, because you're not feeling very well, you go home, I will come home in the evening. And that evening on Tuesday, nikaenda nyumbani, Mama Aida akatupikia chakula, nikawa na ndugu yake Uburu, nikawa na msichana wake Winnie, tukakula chakula cha jioni, tukaongea, akatueleza sisi zote vile alivyokuwa anajisikia, na kwa kauli moja sote pale tukamueleza hatutaki guesswork kwa mambo ya afya. Wewe mwenyewe na madaktari zako uamue. Na nikamwambia serikali ya Kenya itamsimamia akiamua kwenda mahali popote kutafuta matibabu. Kwanza alikuwa anajaribu Ujerumani, akasema pengine atajaribu China, akasema pengine atajaribu sehemu zingine, mpaka akamalizia akasema ako na marafiki ataenda kule India. And we facilitated everything that the former Prime Minister, as the leader of this nation, wanted. Sitaki kusema yale mengine kwa sababu sote tumeambiwa. But I must commend members of his family because they were always there for Baba. Especially Winnie Odinga. Winnie, you are a special person to your father. You stood by your father. You were concerned about his health. You persuaded him to take his health seriously. I must also thank Ruth. Ruth Odinga, you were there for your brother. And Oburu kept calling. Mama Aida kept calling. But I want to say, it was not easy. Because when we thought Baba was okay, in fact, alikuwa amepigia watu wengi simu, kuambia mimi niko sawa sasa, madaktari wameniachilia, wamesema nirudi baada ya miezi 6, wacha sasa niende nipumzike, nitapitia Dubai, nikuja nyumbani. Tulikuwa tunapanga kuja hapa Jaramogi Oginga Odinga on Thursday kwa ile investment conference, lakini mambo yakabadilika, yakawa vile yalivyokuwa. So nikienda ofisini asubuhi, I remember it was about 6:40 or 6:45 there, nikaona kwa simu yangu Oburu ameniandikia WhatsApp message, akaniambia my brother is critically ill. Nikampigia Oburu, nikamuuliza, I thought we spoke to Baba and he was feeling okay, imetokea nini? Akaniambia amepata information. So nikachukua simu yangu, nikapigia yule ambaye alikuwa ameenda na yeye, akaniambia Baba is okay. Yeye pia hakuwa anajua. Nikamwambia hebu check. Nikachukua simu yangu nikapigia mwingine, akaniambia pia hajasikia. In a few minutes, like 10 minutes, Oburu akanipigia tena, akaniambia inaonekana Baba ametuacha. He was not conclusive. So that's a few minutes after 7. After 2 minutes, Winnie akanipigia, akaniambia, first I told her, please Winnie, don't tell me any bad news. But of course she said, the bad news have happened. My father is no more. And those were very, very difficult moments. Many commentators in the newspapers and in the media say this is a very big blow for William Ruto. Yes, it is. It is a very big blow. A few minutes later, we consulted with the family. I remember calling Ida. She could not talk on the other side. And then we managed to do the processes that were necessary. I got in touch with the government of India, and I requested them to accord our brother the highest support that they could. I must thank the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, who is a friend of Raila Odinga, for putting at our disposal, all the support, including military honors, for our brother Raila Amolo Odinga. Lakini haikuwa rahisi hivyo. Baadaye jioni, tukisha panga vile watu wataenda kumchukua mwili wake, usiku Winnie akanipigia. Winnie akaniambia, Mr. President, hiyo ndege ambayo inakuja kubeba mwili ya baba, mbona inaenda Mumbai? Mbona isikuje hapa mahali baba yuko? Sasa wewe unanifanya nisumbuke kupeleka mwili ya baba saa hii usiku, ningangane naye niweke kwa ndege, na nimechoka. Na hii kitu ni mzito sana kwangu. So I had very difficult moments there. Nikamwambia Winnie, unajua sasa hii ndege iko na watu wengine wanaenda kule Mumbai, na turnaround yake tulikuwa tunataka kupunguza, but she could not take any of it. Nikawachana na yeye, nikapigia Ruth, nikamwambia Ruth, please help me manage Winnie. Mwambie tu atulie kidogo, these arrangements we are making. But all in all, I must say the concern of the family, his children, the wife, his brother Oburu and all the others was amazing. Hapo katikati, wakati bado tunahangaika, nafikiri kama saa 3 hivi asubuhi, nimeona kwa WhatsApp Junior amenitumia message. Anasema will ya baba inasema he must be buried within 72 hours. Huyu Junior amenitumia. And I am sending our lawyer to Mama to go and tell her what Mzee's will was. So hapo katikati sasa ikawa ni kizungumkuti. We are trying to balance between the will of the late, the reality of where he is, the requirements of culture, the state, the church. So there were tensions all over the place. That we are here Sunday to pay our last respects to Raila Molo Odinga is an act of God. Na tunashukuru Mungu kwamba imetusaidia tufikishe hapa.